Hi, this is Rachel Starfish. You guys, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are out here at
Weeki Wachee State Park. Springs.
little history.
Okay, so Weeki Wachee is this giant river system and it's fed by springs and it's 74 degrees year round. So you can come on Christmas Day and it'll still be 74 degrees. There's a lot of wildlife here. There's dragonflies all over. They'll land on your toes. There's turtles, there's manatees, there's birds and bald eagles. And it's a beautiful place to be. Crystal clear water and the fish jump out. And supposedly there's mermaids around here somewhere. So
Absolutely perfect, you guys. I highly recommend you come out here and enjoy this area. Perfect for a float.